In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert a mathematical equation using Microsoft Word. Now, this feature is incredibly handy, especially if you're dealing with documents that require mathematical formulas, be it a school project, a research paper, or even just brushing up your document with a professional touch. So let's dive right in and walk through this process together. First things first, you want to start by opening up the Microsoft Word document that you're working with. Once you've got your document opened and ready, direct your attention to the top menu bar. One of these tabs is labeled Insert. This is your go-to place for adding different kinds of content, like pictures, charts, and most importantly for us today, equations. Click on the Insert tab, and you'll see a whole host of options that pop up immediately below the line. Among these options is one that says Equation. Go ahead and click on it. When you do, something magical happens. An entirely new tab dedicated to equations appears. This tab opens up a world of mathematical possibilities at your fingertips. It's specifically designed to help you integrate all sorts of mathematical notations seamlessly into your document. With the Equation tab open, we're going to zoom in on a specific feature today, a section called Limit and Log. Click on that. You'll notice it's under the Structures group. So what exactly is this? Well, limit and log gives you the ability to insert limits, which are crucial in calculus and mathematical analysis, among other things. It's incredibly easy to use. Once you click on limit and log, a set of options will appear. In this group, you're going to find an option that allows you to enter your own distinct mathematical content into the document. What you see is rather a flexible template with empty boxes ready for you to input the desired values or variables. Simply click into these boxes and type in the mathematical expressions or numbers you wish to include. Whether you're formulating a complex matrix or inserting a simple limit expression, this feature has got you covered. And there we have it. Inserting an equation in Microsoft Word isn't just simple, it's incredibly straightforward. Just by leveraging this tool, you're enhancing the readability and professionalism of your document dramatically. Whether you're a student, educator, or professional, the capacity to flawlessly integrate complex equations right into your text can be indispensable. And just like that, you're done. If you followed along, you now know how to insert and customize mathematical equations in your Word document. I hope you found this guide useful and that it makes your next project or paper just a little bit easier to complete. Remember, practice makes perfect, so feel free to explore further equations and customize them to your liking. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.